Friends, I know that India has a special place in your hearts. I remember very clearly an instance from 2001 when there was an earthquake in my home state of Gujarat. Many of you came together to help. I thank you all. And even long before that, to make India a free country, thousands of your ancestors made great sacrifices. Many of them had never seen India, but they were among the first to join Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian National Army. In his honor, we renamed the Indian Cultural Center in Malaysia after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I also take this moment to salute the efforts of the Netaji Service Center and Netaji Welfare Foundation in Malaysia. Friends, it is remarkable the way you have preserved traditions over centuries. Recently, I spoke in my monthly radio conversation, Man Ki Baat, about you. I shared with 1.4 billion Indians how over 500 schools in Malaysia teach children in Indian languages. The influence of great saints like Tiruvalluvar and Swami Vivekananda can also be felt here. The Taipusam in Batu Caves last week was a divine that it looked like the celebrations at Palani. Equally grand are the cultural celebrations at Sri Venkateswara Temple, Bagan Dato. I am told that Garba is very popular here. We also deeply cherish the cultural connections with our Sikh brothers who live here. You have carried the teachings of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji to this day by promoting Naam Japo, Kirat Karo, Vand Chako. Friends, we have people from all parts of India here. The threads of cultural unity bind us strongly. Our strength is we understand unity in diversity. Friends, Tamil is India's gift to the world. Tamil literature is eternal and Tamil culture is global. In the same way, Tamil people have also served humanity with their talents. And I proudly say, India's Vice President, Thiru C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, our Foreign Minister, Dr. Jaishankar ji, who is with us today, Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman ji, who has presented our budget 9 times. Dr. Murugan, our Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, are all, they are from Tamil Nadu. In the same way, the members of the Tamil diaspora in Malaysia are serving the society in various fields. In fact, the Tamil diaspora has been here for many centuries. Inspired by this history, we are proud to have established the Tiruvalluvar Chair in the University of Malaya. We will now set up a Tiruvalluvar Center to further strengthen our shared heritage. Friends, our relationship with Malaysia is scaling new heights each year. In 2024, during the visit of Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to New Delhi, we elevated our ties to a comprehensive strategic partnership. Today, we walk hand in hand as partners towards progress and prosperity. We celebrate each other's success just as our own. I was touched by Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's good wishes on the historic success of Chandrayaan-3. I agree with you, my dear friend. India's success is Malaysia's success. It is Asia's success. That is why I say the guiding word of our relationship is impact. Impact means India-Malaysia partnership for advancing collective transformation. Impact on the speed of our relations. Impact on the scale of our ambitions. Impact for the benefit of our people. Together, we can benefit the entire humanity. Friends, Indian companies have always been keen to work with Malaysia. It is a privilege that we played a part in creating Malaysia's first and Asia's largest insulin manufacturing facility.